Hello friend, I am Dhirendra Kumar. Today we discuss the most important topic on prevalence of foodborne disease. Now in this time the foodborne disease is very common. Now start one by one topic. First we discuss about the foodborne disease. What is the foodborne pathogens and what is the foodborne disease? Foodborne pathogens are biological agents that cause a foodborne disease or illness like virus, bacteria and parasite. The bacteria and virus that cause the foodborne disease or illness are E. coli, Listeria, norovirus, Salmonella, Staphylococcus clostridium. There are various microorganisms they cause foodborne disease. The foodborne disease are induced by consumption of food or water contaminated by pathogen. How foodborne disease are caused? When the pathogen are invade on food or water, then they cause foodborne disease. There are 48 million people in the United States who get foodborne illness each year. These illness result in the estimated 1,28,000 hospitalized and 3,000 dead. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention have identified the top 5 factors contribute to foodborne diseases. In US, approximately 1,20,000 people are hospitalized and 3,000 deaths in each year via foodborne disease or foodborne illness. The top 5 factors contribute to foodborne illness like poor personal hygiene. Poor personal hygiene practice serves as the leading cause of foodborne diseases. Second is the improper holding temperature. Cold foods shall maintain less than 41 degree Fahrenheit and hot food shall maintain more than 135 degrees centigrade. Time and temperature control for safety. Food must be date marked and stored no longer than 7 days. Third is the improper cooking temperature. The Food and Drug Administration has established minimum internal cooking temperature for food to ensure pathogen count are reduced to safe level. Fourth, the food and unsafe source. All food distributed in licensed food establishment must be obtained from approved source that comply with applicable law and regulations of the government. Contaminated equipment. The contaminated equipment, we can say the cross contamination can occur from a variety of sources including chemical and raw food. CDC provide estimated for two major group of foodborne illness. One is the known food illness. Many of the pathogens are tracked by public health system that track disease and outbreak. Second is the unspecified agent. Agent with insufficient data to estimated agent specific burden. Known agent not yet identified as causing foodborne illness. Microbes, chemical and other substances known to the food whose ability to cause illness is unproved and agent not yet be identified. CDC estimated the number of illness, hospitalization and death caused by both known or unspecific agent. There are various type of chemicals and various type of pathogen exist in our food. They can be identified or unspecified agent. like various pathogens, norovirus, associated food, and estimated number of illness and percentage. This data is taken from WWW-CDC Government Foodborne Burden 2011. Norovirus: any food contaminated by an infected work via fecal oral route. Norovirus directly inserted in our body with the help of oral food. Salmonella: raw or uncooked meat, seafood, egg, raw sea spot, raw vegetable, raw milk, untreated juice. This is associated with the Salmonella. Clostridium: cooked meat product including gravy mixture. Campylobacter: raw or uncooked raw material, raw milk. Staphylococcus: time temperature control for safety, food touched by bare hand after cooking and final preparation. This is the flow chart how the pathogen are entered in our body. Salmonella species: E. coli, Shigella, Clostridium are the main pathogen contaminating fresh produce. This is the flow chart. Health, cattle and poultry. This is the processing area, food industry, worker and processing. Distribution channel is the collective catering, supermarket and home. Catering, consumer consumption and food illness, and supermarket, consumer food illness, and home is daily the food illness. So the foodborne disease is called if any imbalance या any improper handling take place either industry or distribution channel, then they cause foodborne diseases. Bacteria and virus. Bacteria and virus are the most common cause of food poisoning. There are various symptoms of the food poisoning. Norovirus: source, produce, surface, ready to eat food touched by infected food worker. This is the better source. Incubation period 12 to 48 hours. If norovirus are present in our food, then their incubation period is 12 to 48 hours. Symptom: what is the symptom of norovirus? Diarrhea, vomiting, stomach pain, etc. Duration of illness 1 to 3 days. Among young children, older adult, hospitalized patient, it can be 4 to 6 days. Prevention: how to prevent the foodborne disease? Wash hand properly. Second, avoid bare hand contact with the ready to eat food. Clean and use disinfectant surface contaminated by the vomiting or diarrhea. Clean and disinfectant food preparation equipment and surface. Wash fruit and vegetable before eating. This is the important prevention to foodborne diseases. Campylobacter source: unpasteurized raw milk, chicken, shellfish, turkey, contaminated water. Incubation period is 2 to 5 days. Symptom: diarrhea, cramp, fever, vomiting. Diarrhea may be bloody. Duration of illness 2 to 10 days. What is the prevention of Campylobacter? Drink pasteurized milk. Don't drink raw milk. Don't drink untreated water. This is the major preservation. Established method in pathogen detection: PCR, culture and colony counting method as well as immunological based method are the most common tools used for pathogen detection. They involve DNA analysis, counting of bacteria and antigen-antibody interaction. The biggest cause of foodborne illness is chicken. Like bird flu is the most common disease. They are take place in each and every country. Thank you, all the best. Next lecture I will discuss on physiological and survival of foodborne pathogens in various food systems. Thank you, all the best.